Welcome to this video. In today's session, we are going to learn about a key element on page SEO, that is focused keyword. If you have ever used tools like Yoast SEO on WordPress or done keyword optimization, you have probably seen this term. Let's understand it, what it means, how to choose one, and where to use it. A focused key phrase is the main keyword or phrase that you want a specific page or blog post to rank for in search engines. It tells Google and your SEO tools what your content is all about. Focus keywords help align your content with users' search intent. When used properly, they improve your chances of ranking for that specific search term and attract the right audience. Choosing the right focus keyword requires some research. You want a term that people are actively searching for, is relevant to your content, and is not too competitive. A common confusion is between focus keywords and other keywords. Think of your focus keyword as the main theme of the page, while related keywords support and add depth. For your SEO to be effective, your focus keyword should appear in strategic location across your web page. But remember, don't overuse it. SEO plugins like Yoast SEO, Rank Math, and All-in-One SEO help you track how well your focus keyword is optimized on a page. Let's look at a quick example. If you are writing a blog on how to make banana bread, your focus keyword would be how to make a banana bread. This phrase should appear in your title, meta description, URL, heading, and naturally throughout the post. While using a focus keyword, avoid common SEO mistakes like keyword stuffing or targeting the same keyword on multiple pages, which can confuse search engines. To wrap up, a focus keyword is your page's main keyword goal. It helps search engine understand your topic and boost your chances of ranking. Remember, choose wisely and use it naturally. Thanks for watching. If you are looking to learn more about keyword strategy, SEO content writing, or digital marketing, be sure to subscribe and check out our full SEO course. See you in the next video.
To know more about this topic in detail or to enroll in our online course, click on the link given in the video description below. Thank you.